Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am going to start my channel about research, scientific inquiry and research planning. I will discuss about all types of research and techniques about research. Okay, we start about first lecture of scientific research, research planning and scientific research. Okay. This is the first lecture of research planning and scientific writing. First lecture is about nature of scientific inquiry. First we know about what is scientific inquiry and what we conclude about scientific inquiry and how we do research planning and techniques and uses. Okay, first we discuss about research planning and scientific writing. Today my topic is nature of scientific inquiry. Firstly we'll discuss about nature of scientific inquiry. Okay, firstly we tell I am telling you about scientific inquiry. Scientific inquiry is a thoughtful and coordinated attempt to search out, describe, explain, and predict natural phenomena. Scientific inquiry progress through a continuous process of questioning, data collection, analysis, and interpretation. Scientific inquiry requires the sharing of findings and ideas for critical review by colleagues and other scientists. We discuss about scientific inquiry. Now we discuss about types of scientific inquiry, in which techniques we use scientific inquiry to progress types. Okay, scientific inquiry is the process that results in building scientific knowledge. Actually, scientific inquiry means knowledge to gain knowledge, okay, and write in its own words. There are main types of inquiry. There are three types of inquiry: descriptive, correlation, experimental. Okay. First, we discuss about descriptive studies. Descriptive studies describe the object of study in detail. Characteristics of young science: some sciences such as astronomy and taxonomy rely most entirely on descriptive studies. Correlation studies. Second is the correlation studies describes two events that occur at the same time and look for the relationship between the two. In correlation, co mean two and relation mean link. Okay, relation between two things. Experimental studies. Experimental means uh, that techniques we use in the labs, okay, and in experimental work. Experimental studies involve setting up control and experimental groups in order to the effect on one variable. You remember that in experimental studies we always use one variable. Okay, experiments can be determined cause. Experiments are used to test hypotheses, not to prove them. Okay, not to prove them. Hypothesis mean test process. ठीक है, not to prove means experimental studies we use for questioning. Okay, next we move towards step. We discussed previously types of scientific inquiry and what is scientific inquiry. Now we discuss about steps involved in scientific inquiry. There are 8 steps involved in scientific inquiry: identify the problem, review the literature, clarify the problem, clearly define terms and concepts, define the population, develop the instrumentation plan, collect data, analyze the data. Okay. फर्स्ट इज द आइडेंटिफाई द प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, इसमें हमने देखना है कि हमारी जो प्रॉब्लम है वो हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम हमारी क्या है. ठीक है, रिव्यू द लिटरेचर. लिटरेचर वो होता है जो हम लोग इंग्लिश में यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, इंग्लिश की जो बेसिक है वही लिटरेचर है. ओके. थर्ड वन इज क्लैरिफाई द प्रॉब्लम. हमने अपनी प्रॉब्लम को क्लैरिफाई करना है कि हमारी बेसिक प्रॉब्लम जो है वो क्या है. ओके. फोर्थ इज द क्लियरली डिफाइंड टर्म्स एंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स. हमने अपने टर्म्स बतानी है कि हमारी प्रॉब्लम में हम लोग कौन कौन से टर्म्स लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज डिफाइन द पॉपुलेशन. ओके. Develop the instrumentation plan. 7 is the collect data. Okay. Collection of data and critical steps. 8 the analyze the data. Okay. We discuss about the final steps, analyze the data. When we collect all data and at the end point we collect the data. Okay. Thanks guys. This is my first lecture on research planning. Okay. Subscribe my channel and आपका जो भी क्वेश्चन हो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है. ओके. थैंक यू गाइस. अल्लाह हाफिज़.